For ideal performance from your new Swan Ice Shaver, we recommend recalibrating the brake shoe prior to use, as the brake tension may have changed due to shipment. Also, if you have recently installed a new replacement blade and your machine is shaving poorly, then you will want to adjust the brake shoe tension for proper shaving. For this procedure, you will need a medium flathead screwdriver. Warning: before beginning any maintenance, confirm that the power is off and the machine is unplugged, otherwise serious injury may occur. To begin, remove this rubber plug in the front. Raise the shaft of the machine and take your flathead screwdriver and slowly turn the brake adjustment screw counterclockwise. Stop turning the adjustment screw as soon as the shaft drops. At this point, there should be zero tension on the brake shoe. If the brake is new, you will want to tighten the brake adjustment screw 2 turns clockwise to reset it to the correct tension. Now test the tension of the brake shoe by turning the crank. It should be firm, but not a challenge to turn. This setting is too weak. This setting is too strong. As the brake experiences normal wear from use, readjusting the brake shoe from time to time will ensure that your shaver is running at its best. We recommend replacing the brake after every shaving season, or at least once per year. It is always a best business practice to perform routine shaver maintenance to avoid downtime, so you can keep your customers happy.